Hello, we are at 2245 Larkin Street. We're on Larkin at Union in a wonderful Russian Hill location. All right when you come up the front steps of the building, we're up on the first floor lobby level now. I've got the door propped open for the video. Building has a telephone entry system, so when people are coming by to visit or FedEx or UPS is trying to reach you, you can buzz them in that way. Here are the mailboxes for the lobby. If you continue on to the back of the lobby, there's a back set of stairs, takes you down to where the laundry is for the building. Okay, we have 2 washers, 2 dryers. We use an app here called Shine Pay instead of coins. All right, we're right outside apartment 1. So when you come in the front door of the unit, it opens up into a hallway, foyer. We'll start with the kitchen here. Right to your right is the kitchen. It's got a dining area with some nice, like a built-in buffet and cabinets there. Black granite countertops, lots of cabinet space. Have a black and white tile floor, fridge, gas stove. I'll give you the view back at the dining area. Okay, so nice kitchen dining. Then here off of the foyer, we have 2 closets. The first is a very large walk-in closet that you can also access from the bedroom here on the other side. So I'll show you that in just a moment. All right. You'll see several electric wall-mounted heaters in this unit, so that's the first of 3. And then the other thing that we have here off of the foyer is the coat closet, okay? All right, so we'll check out the larger of the 2 bedrooms. So this is the big bedroom. I think you could do a king-size bed in here with no trouble. There's the electric wall-mounted heater. Those French doors to the living room do open, so you can leave those open or closed as you'd like. Here's the other way to get into that big walk-in closet that you can get to from the foyer. Okay, living room. So these windows in the living room are facing right out onto Larkin Street. Gets beautiful natural light with those big windows. Here's another one of the electric heaters. And now we are coming into the smaller of the 2 bedrooms. There's the closet. So this is like full-size bed max, or you could convert this and make it, you know, a little home office, a little yoga room, you know, whatever you would like for this smaller bedroom. It could be a lot of different things depending on what you need. Okay, and then we'll take a peek here at the bathroom. Here's the bathroom, shower over tub. Got the same black and white tile floor in here as you do in the kitchen, so that is nice and consistent. We are replacing that medicine chest, so please excuse the damage there in the corner. There'll be a new one. Pedestal sink. Okay, so that is a quick look at the unit. We do want you to come by and see it in person before submitting an application. So just go ahead and reach out and we'll schedule an appointment. And again, this has been 2245 Larkin, apartment 1. Thanks for watching.